Hey guys, you gotta check this out. Ignore the air circuit for right now. I've unhooked that. I'm literally been playing with this new transformer that I got. It's a 6,000 volt transformer. 120 stepped up to about 6,000 it was rated at. So all I'm doing is I'm running 120 straight to it. There's my red wire. That's the positive. And I'm just going straight to the transformer, nothing else. On the other side, we got these three guys and this big monster down here in parallel with the output. And we've got a very short gap, about a quarter of an inch going into the coil. And okay, now I got the lights off. I'm gonna turn it on. Check out the output of this. It's gonna be louder than hell, so turn your speakers down. You probably won't hear me talking. The output of this is way more than I got from the 15,000 volt neon sign transformer. Check out how far away I can light this light bulb from the big capacitor on the floor, almost a foot away. Look how much plasma is in that bulb. And it tingles a bit now when I do this. Let me show you. Look at that arc. Yow! It's getting tingly. That's 2-3 inches away now. But let me show you the Let me show you the plasma width. 3 inches apart. Okay, I'm gonna take the incandescent bulb off and just show you a little piece of wire I got coming up there for the plasma. You can see it pretty good now. It finally starts to pick up the plasma coming off the top ring of the coil. Let's check out this big guy down here. I'm about a foot away from it. You can't see it, but there's a purple ring all around the top and the bottom of that aluminum coil wrapped around it. And this whole thing, I'm 2 feet away from it, and it's lighting up this fluorescent bulb. It's a lot of power. I'll go ahead and turn it off and turn the lights back on 1 second. Okay, it's been running for probably a few minutes like that before I started the video. The core is just a little bit warm. It's not bad at all. It's getting warm, so I bet after a long period of time it'd probably heat up pretty good. But yeah, I had this bulb lighting about this far away from this thing. That's just the 6,000 going into it. That's what it's very strange. But all the jars have purple glowing around them. What's really interesting about them is when I had the rotary hooked up, is the purple would be around the top here and around the bottom, but it only showed up on the bottom when the spark gap fires. So there was this back surge coming through the circuit back to the condenser bank, and it was just enough that it was causing extra plasma down here, so it was definitely increasing the voltage being stored in them. Secondary ground isn't hooked up. It's just like arcing over to that piece of foil tape there. Quite a bit more power output. Way more than that neon sign transformer. How about that? It works really good with the air circuit too, when I have the rotary in there, but not a straight DC.